is Tess with Roe Dental Lab, and today I want to talk with you about something you've maybe seen come in your cases that we want you guys to be looking for, watching out for. We include these patient care guides and a couple of our different services, which I'll talk about today. Please don't throw them out. We're all guilty of inserting a lab case and we get rid of the foam and the packing and kind of pitch it in the garbage, and what may have gone with it is these patient care guides, and they can actually save you time when you have the patient coming in and you're explaining aftercare. We've all been there. Want you to kind of put yourself in the shoes. It's 4:30 in the afternoon. You guys close at 5. You have 10-15 minutes blocked for a final guard insert or a final denture insert, and we know the end of the day appointments are always late, and the patient comes in and we're then trying to, it's 4:45 by the time you get the doctor, they try it in, and we're trying to go over care instructions with them, and we can hear the vacuum running in the back of the office because everyone else is cleaning up. These care instructions kind of do all of that great stuff for you. So they're gonna flip through care of the appliance, some do's and don'ts, troubleshooting, and really just kind of teach the patient what they need to know when it comes to the appliance. The books are all gonna differ, so please make sure that if you have one, you don't just kind of assume they're all the same inside. They're gonna be unique to each product. So the first one is our Impact Denture. So our care instructions can be a little bit different for Impact Dentures versus standard dentures. So again, it's gonna be really important to flip through this. There's even in some of these some frequently asked questions. So maybe something nice when you guys insert the denture, we know we kind of give the patient a couple minutes to sit with it and get a feel for the bite. Give them this book to take a look through. Peruse it. It may answer some of the questions they would have had for you, and gives them kind of insight as to why it's important and how to care for their denture. The next one is going to be the ForceField guide. So for any athletic guards where we're giving them to kids, we may want to give this to mom and dad, or if it's an adult patient, hopefully they can have it. Give it to them to look over just to know how to care for their guard. The last two, again, are going to be guard based. We have our miniComfort and then also our CLEARguard. Again, just going over basic care instructions, how to clean it, what to do with it, what not to do with it, expectations, and then frequently asked questions. Please, if you see any of these come in your case, use them for patient appointments. That's what they're there for. They're for a resource for you and your patient. You can insert their guard, their denture, give them their care instructions, let them kind of sit with it for a little bit while you're having them kind of get a feel for the appliance, come back in for any adjustments, and ideally they've read the whole book, but if not, it's okay because they can take it home with them.